Hey there, everyone. Dr. Anna Schneider here, your friendly neighborhood doctor with over 15 years of experience helping people reclaim their health and vitality. Today, I've got a question for you. What if I told you that you could tackle erectile dysfunction naturally, without relying solely on pills or invasive treatments? That's right, your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when you give it the right tools. Stick with me, because I'm about to share the top 5 natural remedies for erectile dysfunction that are backed by science and proven to work. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this, because this isn't just about fixing a problem, it's about taking back control of your life and feeling proud of the strong, vibrant person you are. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Let's start with the big picture. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, affects millions of men worldwide. Studies show that by age 40, about 40% of men experience it at some point, and that number jumps to nearly 70% by age 70. That's a staggering statistic, right? But here's the thing, ED isn't just a physical issue, it can shake your confidence, strain relationships, and make you feel like you're losing a part of yourself. I've seen it in my practice time and time again. But here's the good news, you don't have to accept it as just part of aging or something you're stuck with forever. You have the power to change it, and I'm here to show you how, naturally, safely, and effectively. Now, before we jump into these remedies, let me ask you, have you ever felt frustrated or embarrassed about ED, but didn't know where to start? Drop a yes in the comments if that's you. I promise you're not alone, and we're in this together. My goal today is to break down the science in a way that's easy to understand, give you practical steps you can start today, and inspire you to take charge of your health like the warrior you are. Ready? Let's go! Remedy number 1, the power of exercise. Move your body, boost your blood flow. First up, exercise. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Dr. Anna, I'm not about to run a marathon. And you don't have to. Here's the deal, ED is often tied to poor blood flow, and guess what? Exercise is like a superhero for your circulation. A 2018 study published in the American Journal of Cardiology found that men who engaged in moderate aerobic exercise, like brisk walking or cycling, for just 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, saw significant improvements in erectile function. That's real data, folks, 30 minutes to transform your health. Why does this work? Simple, stronger blood flow means better delivery of oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body, including where it counts most. Plus, exercise boosts nitric oxide, a natural compound in your blood vessels that helps them relax and dilate. Think of it as nature's version of a little blue pill, but without the side effects. Here's my pro tip, start small. Try a 15-minute walk after dinner. Bring your partner or a friend if you want some company. Then build up to 30 minutes. Add in some strength training, like squats or push-ups, to fire up your testosterone levels naturally. I've had patients tell me they feel like a new man after just a few weeks. So, tell me in the comments, what's one type of exercise you'd be excited to try this week? Let's get moving together. Remedy number 2, eat your way to better performance. The Mediterranean magic. Next up, your diet. You've heard the saying you are what you eat, right? Well, when it comes to ED, that couldn't be truer. Let's talk about the Mediterranean diet. It's not just delicious, it's a game changer for your vascular health. A 2020 study in the Journal of Sexual Medicine showed that men who followed a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and olive oil had a 40% lower risk of ED compared to those who didn't. 40%. That's huge. Why does this work? Foods like berries, spinach, and almonds are packed with antioxidants and healthy fats that fight inflammation and keep your blood vessels flexible. Fatty fish like salmon, loaded with omega-3s, can lower cholesterol and improve circulation. And don't sleep on dark chocolate, yes, chocolate. It's rich in flavonoids that boost blood flow. Just keep it to 70% cocoa or higher and enjoy a square or two as a treat. Here's my challenge for you, swap out one processed meal this week for something Mediterranean-inspired. Maybe a grilled salmon salad with olive oil dressing or a handful of walnuts as a snack. You're not just feeding your body, you're fueling your confidence. What's your favorite healthy food? Share it below. I'd love to get some recipe ideas from you. Remedy number 3, sleep, the silent hero of your sexual health. Remedy number 3 might surprise you, sleep. Yes, good old-fashioned shut-eye. I can't tell you how many times I've seen patients transform their lives just by prioritizing rest. A 2015 study from the Journal of Sexual Medicine found that men who slept less than 6 hours a night were more likely to experience ED compared to those who got 7 to 9 hours. Why? Because sleep is when your body repairs itself and balances hormones like testosterone, which is critical for sexual function. Think about it, when you're exhausted, everything feels harder, pun intended. Lack of sleep spikes cortisol, your stress hormone, which tanks your libido and tightens your blood vessels. On the flip side, quality sleep is like a reset button for your entire system. I've had guys in their 50s tell me they feel 20 again after fixing their sleep habits. Here's how to start: aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. Create a wind-down routine, dim the lights, skip the late-night scrolling, maybe sip some chamomile tea. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest, not stress. What's one thing keeping you up at night that you could let go of? Let me know in the comments, I'm here to help you troubleshoot. Remedy number 4, stress less, master your mind, master your body. Let's talk about stress. Remedy number 4 is all about calming your mind. Stress is a silent killer of erections, and I see it all the time in my practice. When you're stressed, your body pumps out cortisol and adrenaline, which slam the brakes on blood flow and relaxation. A 2019 study in psychosomatic medicine found that chronic stress doubles your risk of ED, doubles it. But here's the flip side: reducing stress can turn things around fast. How do you do it? Deep breathing is a great start. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Do that 5 times and feel your body unwind. Meditation works wonders too. Studies show just 10 minutes a day can lower cortisol levels by 20%. Even a hobby like gardening or playing music can shift your focus and lift your spirits. I'll share a story. I had a patient, Mark, who was in his 40s, stressed out from work, and struggling with ED. We worked on a simple mindfulness routine, and within a month, he was back to his old self, smiling, confident, and in control. You can do this too. What's one way you like to de-stress? Drop it below, I'm all ears. Remedy number 5, herbal helpers, nature's boosters. Finally, remedy number 5, herbal supplements. Now, I'm a doctor, so I'm all about evidence-based solutions. Some herbs have real science behind them for ED. Take L-arginine, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide. Studies show 5 grams a day can improve erectile function in men with mild ED. Then there's ginseng, known as herbal Viagra. A 2018 meta-analysis found it significantly improved ED symptoms compared to a placebo. Another one to watch is horny goat weed. Yes, that's its real name. It's been used for centuries and contains a carrion, which supports blood flow. But here's my doctor's note: talk to your healthcare provider before starting any supplement, especially if you're on meds. Safety first. My favorite tip? Pair these with a healthy lifestyle for max results. I've seen patients combine ginseng with exercise and a better diet, and the difference is night and day. Have you ever tried a natural supplement? Tell me your experience below. I'd love to hear what's worked for you. So, there you have it, 5 natural remedies to tackle erectile dysfunction and reclaim your vitality: exercise, a nutrient-packed diet, quality sleep, stress management, and herbal boosts. These aren't just quick fixes, they're tools to build a stronger, healthier you. I've watched countless patients turn their lives around with these steps, and I know you can too. You're not defined by ED, you're defined by your courage to take action. Here's my call to action: pick one remedy from this list and start today. Maybe it's a 15-minute walk, a salmon dinner, or 10 minutes of deep breathing. Small steps lead to big wins. And don't stop there. Drop a comment below and tell me, Which remedy are you starting with, and where are you watching from? Are you in New York, London, Sydney, or somewhere else? I want to cheer you on from every corner of the globe. If this resonated with you, give it a thumbs up. It helps me reach more people who need this message. Share your thoughts, your stories, your questions. I'm here for it all. Let's keep this conversation going because you deserve to feel strong, confident, and in control. This is Dr. Anna Schneider signing off. See you in the comments.